It might be in this video. Yo, so I'm in the car. Let me turn it down. It is not supposed to be like.
Yeah, real block boy, yeah, didn't play with no toys, yeah, and I have a one lot of short, got right in and went north, bitch all broke, not poor, skinnies on me, designer no shorts, jet like we at the port.
Yo, so I'm in the car. Let me turn it down. It is not supposed to be like this. It's definitely like 89 degrees in this mug. I'm hot. Look, I'm hot as hell. Like I'm hot. YouTube, please don't yellow mark me for saying that. It is hot. Like, it only says 89, but this air for the car don't work like that. Like, hey man, it is hot, man. I'm still hot, and I didn't even do the best school advice video yet, but here's me still vlogging of my day, man. It is hot. Lord Jesus. Y'all subscribe and like and comment below, please. You know what I'm saying? Because me holding this phone right now is hot. You know what I'm saying? But that video is coming definitely soon. It might be in this video. I don't know. It might be in this video. It might be in this video. It might be in this video. So let me turn this left real quick in this neighborhood. Oh! I don't know how to turn it. Okay, if you guys can hear me, I know I had the music going, but it's hot. I'm about to go to Walmart, give me some food. Because there's no air in this condition, you know what I'm saying? I said, what did I just say? I don't know what the hell I just said. There's no air in this car right now. So right now, I'm really just driving and burning. I'm already black. Like, come on, this is disrespectful. I know God hears me right now, man. Can you put some shade in there? Oh, there. Okay. Oh, never mind. Okay, that he didn't hear me. I don't think he heard me. Yeah, I'm about to go turn on this highway right now. So I probably got to put this phone down. And nah, let me try. Somebody exercising right now. In the way. Why is she on the road? White people, what the? Why is she on the road? Why is she on the road? This, trash cans on the road. Oh, Lord, Jesus. Pray for me on this road. I don't even know where I'm going right now. I'm just driving. This is ridiculous. It is hot. Yo, it's your boy Yngr&b back with another video. So now we finally get to it. Back to school advice, you know what I'm saying? Here with another banger. I'm basically just talking to you about like what I've been through. I talked about it in the last video, but I get to actually sit down with y'all. So school, I say about freshman year, they're very light on you, nothing huge, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, they don't give you no homework as much. It depending on what school you go to. The school I went to, you know what I'm saying, we barely got work freshman year. That's because we had like some cool teachers here and there, you know, here and there, you know what I'm saying? But freshman year, I say, focus on you. That's the year where you go in like with a new mindset. Middle school, throw that away. It's time to like start snapping, you know what I'm saying? If you want to go to college, I say definitely focus on freshman year. Now me, I just graduated and I'm not going to college because as you see, this is my job right here, and I'd rather do something that I love, you know what I'm saying? I love speaking to YouTube, to y'all, my fam. I need to give y'all a name. That's what I need to do. I'm going to think of it. If y'all got any ideas, let me know in the comment below of what names I should be giving to y'all. But anyway, yeah, freshman year, you know, that's when I say get in a lot of activities, get into, you know, not too much. You don't want to get into too much because people will start noticing you. That's if you don't care. Like, I didn't care, so I played basketball. You know, everybody knew me. You know what I'm saying?
He needs some milk.
So I say stay in activities, stay focused, especially if you want to go into college. I say sophomore year. My sophomore year, I kind of faded off from basketball a little bit. So that was the year I was like, all right, let me step it up. Let me do good in the grades. The grades criteria, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I did, because they had me in like the little smaller classes, so you know, you had to step it up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? I had to do that, and that's when I started getting like more people to talk to, because I was like talking to like especially like the nerds, the smart people, because when you start talking to them, you start, you know what I'm saying, you start getting the same.
Yeah.
But yeah, once you start getting in sophomore year that's where you start getting your friends a little bit. That's where you start getting your people, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I did. I got friends with like more of the people in like honors classes, and that's why I was getting better grades, because just hanging around that, you know what I'm saying, that spirit, you know, you start getting smarter yourself. So I say that's the main thing in high school, is just getting your grades up, staying in activities. You don't have to stay in activities if you really just want to go to school and do what you gotta do at home. Like if you act, like what I did, I had act in school, out of school, so I'll be hyped to, after school was done, go right to acting class, which it was on Wednesdays for us, which was lit. I didn't do no like performing arts in school, nothing like that, because basically I was in basketball the whole time. I had to practice like every day. So that was, you know what I'm saying, that was a big mistake. But sophomore year, I started to fade off a little bit from it, because I wanted to focus on YouTube, my skits, and all that. But I say if you want to go to college, really study and be around people who you feel like you should be around, not people you just was cool with. If you gotta cut some people off, what like I had to do that, because it's going to better you, you know what I'm saying? So I had to cut a lot of people off because they was getting to the wrong stuff. But it wasn't even them. It was kind of their friends. So whatever they did, they jumped into. So that's one of them. Junior year, I say that's the year you got to snap in junior year. Junior year, you got to really snap, because a lot of stuff is thrown at you junior year. Junior year, like they give you work. They don't even care. Teachers just be like throwing work at you. Like they don't care. But they got to do a lot of work too, so they think that's light when they send it to you. But it's tripping. They gonna send you papers, tests. Junior year was more of the tests. It was like a lot of tests junior year, you know, like, oh, pop quiz here and there out of nowhere. That was the year I was like stressing. But I really wasn't stressing, because that's when I took off of basketball, went into just focusing on grades. Like I said, sophomore year, started hanging around better people, so that came into junior year. Junior year is the year you gotta really like bring, especially if you want to go to college. Now, I didn't suggest going to college, because I love doing what I do now. And college, I feel like if you really want to go to school, if you really want to go to school, you probably are going to be a nurse or something, you know what I'm saying, a nurse, you know, or you want to study business, something really important, not just going to college just because your parents told you or somebody told you, like, yeah, try it. Like, nah, if you really want to go to college because you know what you finna do after the effect, not just to get a regular job like everybody's doing. It's the same routine. Don't go do that, you know, because then you got to pay that back, that tuition. Like, you know, my friend even Mozzie, he had to pay like racks back, and he didn't even want to go to school. It's just people suggested it, you know. Now he's thinking about going back because it's business, you know what I'm saying, in the business area. So that's the only reason. I think I did junior year. Now senior year, I say it was very light for me. It should be light for everybody in senior year, because senior year is like the year where you focus on just either going to college or you fading off from school. Senior year for me was really chill. I had music, I had theater arts, only had like, I didn't even have math anymore, because they say when you pass, like if you have 3 math classes over here and you pass them, you don't have to take it in the 4th year. So that's what happened with me. Senior year was very chill. I was barely doing anything. They know it's the lightest year, because it's like, all right, you focused on leaving, going to school. That's the big year. So really all you're doing is just trying to find out where you want to go to school and where you want to go to in your next genre. For me, I didn't. Like I said, this is what I love to do, so I'm gonna focus on this, make that cash, you know what I'm saying, get rich off this, you know what I'm saying. That's why I'm gonna vlog for more of you guys. Yeah, that was really it for senior year. And for the high school, mainly the whole part of this video is to pick the right friends. It's not gonna become easy, you know. You going have some disadvantages. So, but you gonna learn as you go if you really want to be in your own zone. Like me, I was in my own zone, so I found like the right people like that, and it was like from there it was skyrocket. I was getting better grades. Hanging around the right people, feeling good, going home, chilling, not stressing to go back to school. Like, oh, we got a test. The people you hang around, usually they be on it too. So like at lunch we had something called charger time, so it was like free. Like charger time is where you could go to your classes, so make sure you go to your classes during those times. Take advantage of that, because if you don't, then you might stress like the regular people. Or if you don't care, do what you want to do. You know what I'm saying? Sell dope. You know what I'm saying? Go do what you do. But if you really want to go, you know what I'm saying, go to college, focus, I say that's the main thing to do. Use your time, even if you need a tutor. Like me, I didn't even have a chance to get a tutor because I didn't really need one at the point. Like when I first came, like freshman year, I needed a tutor. But see, when I hanged around the right people, you know what I'm saying, that's when I didn't really need a tutor. They was already smart themselves, so then that got me smart, and I was just doing my work like, ASAP. So, and then I went through a lot, like counseling. I went through counseling. I had something called a child study program. It didn't really help, but I say it's a start. It gives you like that comfortability in freshman year, so it's like that, all right, I need to step up my game. Because if you see like people you chilling with and they see you going to study hall or somewhere where it's like, all right, what you doing in there, it's kind of like, all right, now you want up your game, you want to get smarter, make it easy for yourself. So that's really all I had. What I'm saying, keep subscribing, like, comment below. What I'm saying, I'm coming with more heat, more bangers. What I'm saying, and follow your boy on Instagram. I'll put the link in the description. And yeah, I'll see y'all later.